Hi, this is Lukas, the Organizing Chairman of Penang Digitalization AI Conference and Exhibition, PDX2026. This is the email that you read now. This is the second year we host this event about digitalizations, about AI. This year we do it at Penang Spice Convention that is very near to the Penang Airport. We believe this can drive crowd to this event. Yes, now we have the participant from China, Indonesia, Singapore. And today we received some participants from Taiwan. As a technology solution provider in the back 19 years, we are grounding through the market. We know what happened to the governments, what happened to the customer, what happened to the solution provider. Government have very ambitious dreams, but a lot of times they cannot execute in the market. Slow, lose control, a lot of different opinions. Customers do not understand what the technology solution provider trying to pitch to them. A lot of time, solution provider meeting a customer for 1 whole year, meeting for more than 10 times, get a very small deal. This pushes us to this initiative to create the PDX to gather the government agency informations, to gather the solution provider, to bring the customer, everyone in one platform. We do not know if this can create how big the impact, but we believe that this platform will be a very good gateway to communicate top and the bottom. To have us, to have the market understand the future, the directions, the roadmaps, where should we go? This is a video I purposely created, and we really hope to have your support for these events, to exhibit or to come to conference to see what is happening. Maybe this is not the best year, but your participants will help the things improve. Be honest, you might asking, this is a government event? No. This is the NGO event? No. This is a private event. And because of these private events, we are able to execute the dreams that we need. We are able to grounding the things that we want to have the best AI move in these nations. Your support, your participants, we definitely will create the best outcomes in this event. And we hope to have this platform to become the best digitalization AI platform, talking about the giving people roadmaps, giving people directions, giving people confidence when come into the AI, and most importantly, helping people to execute and implement. Your participants is not just for 1 year. If your participants is just for 2 days event, I'm not going to create this video to show my face here. Your involvement will become our platform stakeholders for a long-term goal. In the fast-moving AI digitalization world, we need you. We need each other. to create these frames, to empower the markets or SME a good directions about the digitalizations, about the AI. And finally, lastly, I hope to see you in my events. No matter you come to exhibit, or you come as a conference delegate, or you come as a visitor. Hope to see you. My name is Lukas, the organizing chairman of PDX 2026. See you.